Hi and welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today I have come up with another 12-inch mandala. So I'm tying my first knot and then I'll do my first square in white. So today I'm going to show you a 8-pointed mandala. So this is the first square I have done, and I will continue doing this in another pair of dowels. So this is completed. Now another one is here, and now I'm going to tie this both together and go around all the dowels so that both of them sticks together. And this is the toughest part to do because you need to make sure all the angles are accurate and the spacing is proper. Once you get a grip of this one, it's more easy. See, it's done now. So first I'm going to do a star. As you can see, I have taken a pink yarn and I'll leave two dowels and go around the third one. So again I leave two dowels and go on the third one. This way I'll continue with this pink. So now it's done, and I have repeated with various shades of pink. Now as you can see, I am tying this light green shade and going around all the dowels. I'll continue for the whole yarn. Now I have switched to a darker shade of green, and I'll repeat the same almost till the end. Now what I'll do is I'll go inside this one and bring out the yarn from between the yarns so that it pulls the tension, it holds the tension, and I'll go around the next towel. See, it's holding the tension. You pull it and it stretches, but it won't shift. See, it pulls the tension. It keeps the tension. Yes, it's coming inside of that yarn, and then you're going around the next dowel. So this way I'll continue for all of them and then repeat it one more time. So this is the second round. So I'm placing the second round just beside the first one. This will continue and complete with the green. Now I'm going to tie purple shade just like I did with the light green yarn, and then I'll continue with the light pink after this. So after this I'm going to do the light pink, and same way I'll continue doing the same trick on this one too. You can adjust in the center with your hands. So this way I'll continue again here two times, I mean two rounds. And after this color I'll again do a shade of I'll take again two shades of green and do the same. So it's done now. I'll do another green shade. So here it is. And I'm just going to take another shade of green and cover the portion that is sticking out. This I have shown you many times before also. This is a very simple thing to do. So I'll just finish it off here, just covering all the portion that is not covered, and that's it. Thanks for watching till the end. Hope you have liked the video. If you do, please hit the like button and share with your friends and family. And please do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much.